All right, canoeing the Rancocas on a beautiful October day. There's Rich, Joe, and Carl, and me. This is me. Great colors.
We'll just sit.
It's an action shot.
Yeah.
Yes.
We'll just stay here like this. Stay out in action.
On the river.
Shall we ram?
Yeah.
There's where we should have pulled in.
Yep.
We didn't know.
Just had a nice lunch stop over here. Here we go.
Find someplace to fly when I promise wood. I mean the storage.
Yeah, that's the tricky part. So you want to go that way, right?
Why don't you talk about it?
Having a good time here on the Rancocas River.
Oh man, the video!
Good job!
Here we are on the Rancocas, Saturday afternoon, October. There's Bob. Beautiful fall day.